What's up? Welcome back to Sign A and J. It's been a little minute, but if you are familiar with this channel, you know that I will get straight to the point. Today I'll be doing an unboxing of the LD WAFFLE SACAI. I don't know how you say that shit, but I got them in a size 7. It came into this box. It says just do it. Taped around the box. Boom. Open the box and this is what you see. Got the nice Nike box. But yes, as you can see, LD WAFFLE SACAI. I'm gonna go with SACAI in a size 7. So let me show you guys the colorway that I got. The green Gusto safety orange. Okay. So when you unbox it, you get this nice ass wrapping paper here. Boom, boom, boom. So, boom, right? Let's see, what are we starting with here? Drum roll, please. So here we have the double check here, which I think is super dope. We have the double tongue, which I think is the dopest part of the shoe. We have a gray lace intertwined with the white lace. We have this nice sole on the back here that actually sticks out, if you can. And then we have this nice grip on the sole of the shoe. On the insole, it says Nike SACAI again. It has the size right over here. Is a little bit on the snug side, but usually like a 6.5/7. If I would have got the 6.5, they would have been way too tight. Way too tight. The shoe looks extremely airy, as you can tell, if you can see that. All this, why is the word not coming to my head? But the shoe looks very, very airy, nice and light on the fabric, I would say. But yes, I'm going to give you your ONFEET before my camera dies. But one more time, let's give you this nice
motion of the shoe, nice and quick here. Boom. Ooh. Ooh.
Ooh. And we're done. So thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Subscribe.
Another banger. Make a come, make a pom pom pom, make a come, make a keep a the pom pom pom. Your body